quick little shower, sponsored by Native. Right?
The lake actually like loops around to the left.
Yeah.
Sponsored by what?
By Native, the
yeah, this must be what I was talking about. Boring. Just a big cement thing. It's just the dam. That's creepy. Oh, you cut it. Good, holy voice, good morning. This is where we set up camp last night. Got in later than would have liked, not late, but later than we would have liked, like 7:30 or so. A lot longer of a drive here than I expected, and the road itself was a lot more aggressive than I expected. Didn't even air down my tires, so it was pretty bumpy, bouncy ride. But yeah, so far the view is well worth it. You got the snow-capped mountains over there and a little bit through there. The wind though, not window, the wind though was pretty aggressive last night. So the tent was flapping like crazy. It wasn't too cold in there, but just the tent was going crazy. And then when I set up the tent last night, realized that we had left the little pole prong things that hold up the awning, or the rain guard. Why am I blanking right now? Whatever, that hold up like the rain shelter thing, you know what I mean. We left those up island, North Island in Was, so I guess I'll have to get some more of those or make some or something. But yeah, don't have those, so whatever. And as you would have seen, kind of in the intro or something, there was, or there is, a little mine shaft around the corner here that I'll be sure to explore later. There's some other stuff on the road in too that I'm guessing connects to the shaft, which is pretty awesome. This dam here, I'm gonna do my best to see how far I can walk. I can easily get there. I don't know how thick that portion of the dam is, so I'm gonna try to get over there. If not, I just swim over, hop up on the rocks. I always try to get around this lake as much as possible. Didn't bring the paddleboard just because it took up too much space and we have so much stuff for this trip. And then down here as well, there's some type of building that I'm going to try to get to. This road I don't think goes very far, and then down here is just like a little boat launch. So I'll see if I can get to that, as well as this. I don't know why I find this cool, but it looks pretty fresh. Big rock slide. I want to see how high up that went. So I'll try to get over to that as well. Stay tuned. Made it. Don't know why, but I'm still in my nighttime sweats and just crappy camping shoes. So just gotta drop the hoodie in Stanfield there and go a bit further, because I see that there's a little cavey where the pipe coming through. So, and this wall's a lot thicker than I expected, so I'm gonna try to get over there. Wish me luck. Crazy wind across here. Had to sketchily rock climb alongside here to get over, but whatever, you'll. It's blown out rock, man-made, and some type of pumper, maybe a meter for the water levels up there. I realized this is just riveting. Why can I not speak English? This is cool stuff, cool entertainment, cool content, as the kids say. Do these videos every once in a while, and apparently, according to my YouTube analytics, 95% of people that view my videos don't even follow me, so I hate being that guy, but you know, you gotta sell out on YouTube. So if you like what you see and you want to see more of these spots that people don't really seem to know much about, and that I always find, considering subscribing, or at least like it, comment, do whatever. I'll show more stuff like this. Cool, let's carry on. I don't know if you'll really be able to see them here on the camera, but there's a few not bad sized trout in this tiny little pond. I guess they got stuck, they probably came through, and there's still water going through the pipe from the main lake, and now they're stuck in there. I have nothing to catch them with, but I almost want to try to find a way just to grab them and put them in the main lake, because they're gonna trap in there for a long time. Open time. Oh, can't see where I'm going. So cold, gotta wear sweaters out here. Looks nice because it's blue skies, and then wherever the sun is, clouds. But it's also very windy and freezing. Because the lack of sun, all these clouds taking it up, is annoying me. I'm gonna kill some time and go check out this pump house or whatever it is. "24-hour video surveillance." I'm not going in. Myra Falls Mine. Huh. Jim Mitchell Headworks. Whole time leading up to me coming here, I thought the mine was like abandoned, and maybe that entrance over there is, but this all looks fairly new, like really new. Huh. Interesting. Guessing the lake itself is all man-made. Maybe it was smaller before and they've just blown it to be bigger. I never really did, never did much research into this spot. Just once I found out where it was, I was like, I gotta go. Because I really had only seen this one guy I follow, he posted a photo long ago of his truck outside the mine shaft entrance. And I had saved it forever and tried finding it. I never knew where it was, and then I finally just messaged him being like, yo, he told me. He did. And I thought that's all it was. It was like the mine area. Obviously on Google Earth I saw that there was a lake here and everything, and when he told me the name of the lake I was like, okay, duh. But I didn't realize it was this big. Didn't realize there was a dam. It everything about it. Wow, it looks sick. The original plan was to stay here all day in the sun, because I feel like every time I go camping lately, I'm go, go, go. I spend more time driving places than I do actually at places, so I wanted to just like hang out in the sun. But like Bruce has stated, clouds aren't really helping right now. And with how bad the wind was last night and still kind of is, I don't know if I want to stay here another night, deal with that in the tent. And then with tomorrow being Monday, people might be coming through here for work purposes on the mine, so I don't really want to be here. Yeah. I know I don't want to show my boobies. I probably very rarely will ever give directions to places or name them unless they're a lot more well known. This place, I'm guessing, isn't that well known because there's, you know, like I said, the only one photo I've ever seen, and then just around here there's the odd, you know, shit tissue or can that people have left. So obviously some people have camped here before, but it doesn't seem that busy, which is also surprising because like 200 meters, if that, up the road, there's a very popular trail for within Strathcona Park that everyone's parked at, and yet nobody's here. So yeah, if you like it, think of subscribing, like this video, comment, share it to your grandma on Facebook, let her know how cool this is. And then yeah, I mainly do this type of camping stuff. I like to show off places that are lesser known. Like that's the whole Destination X, as I've stated in other videos and stuff, is, you know, X is like it's like a place on a map, but it's also like something you need to find, if that makes sense. I'm terrible at wording things. And also driving Xterra, so it all goes together. Signs of a man-made like little dynamite explosive wire. Side note, if you happen to know why these are here, because there's one here and then like I showed off, there's one there, or maybe I was over there, high up on the rock. Like, what are they used for? Are you tying something off in the water? I don't quite understand what they would be used for here. So yeah, if you know, comment please and let me know, or message me or something, because I'm curious. For like the third time I've come in here to just try to film a little bit, but you see anything in there? Oh, bad. Let's try down here. Focus. Camera doesn't want to focus, but it goes down and then turns to the left. There's a bit better. Really wide though. I see lines. Cool, creepy, fun. Yeah, somebody's. I don't know if people are actually sliding through there. I assume they do, but that's a tight squeeze. Kind of see. There you go. Chef in her element.